Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Academia by Arvind sir. In this video lecture, we are going to start with the remaining topics of chapter number 2, that is search engine optimization. Okay, so let's start with the next topic, that is SEO audit. Okay, how you are going to audit your search engine optimization. So an SEO audit helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumer could find the website with a greater ease. Ease means easy to use. So it analyzes the website's health. So with the help of, we can analyze the health of the website. So there are two things to optimize your the health of the website. Basically, two audit SEO audit tools are there. One is the EG SEO Matter and second is the SEO Optimizer. Okay, so these two tools, just remember, these are SEO free audit tools. SEO Optimizer is a free SEO audit tool that will perform a detailed SEO analysis. So basically, what is the use of this SEO audit tool? To perform the analysis of the whatever the things you will enter. So it provides clear and actionable recommendations that can be taken to improve your online presence. So this is what the URL is given to go to this SEO Matter, okay, an SEO tool. So this is the website. So once you go to this website, you will see that what kind of the SEO analysis kind of the display you will see on this. So this is what the picture. So this is what SEO search bar audit tool. This kind of the window you will get. Next is this is the home page of the SEO optimizer. So here you have to write the page to whom you are going to audit the page. Okay, click on the audit. So once you click on the audit, you will have such kind of the analysis report will get generated. Overall analysis using SEO optimizer. So it will analyze your optimizer. So this is what detailed analysis of SEO optimizer. This is completely result will be displayed, what kind of the things you have written. Okay, for example, here the title tag is not there, meta description will be correct. Okay, what will be the result? Your SEO could be better, you could make the better. B plus thing is there. Header tag H1, so you have used only 0, H2 6 times you have used, like that. So it will display the things. Okay, so the next topic is audit results of SEO optimizer will have following details. Okay, audit results of SEO optimizer will have following details. So once you will audit the pages, now at the last you are going to optimize the details. So let's see the details. First one, overall ranking of the site. Second, what kind of the recommendations are to be there for the improvements. Third, search engine optimization. Fourth, usability of the website. Fifth, performance of website. Sixth, social links. So social kind of the links you have to go for the connected social accounts. Security parameters. What kind of the parameters are there, like SSL enabled, your security socket link, okay, is enabled or not, that you have to take care. HTTPS redirect means as for security. Hypertext transfer protocol as for it's a secure link. Then email privacy, etc. What kind of the header content recommendations are there, that is title and meta description. Body content will have following details like header tags, body content recommendations, keyword consistency, amount of content in the pages. Then we have the links. In that links we have to think of number of the backlinks, what are the broken links, what are the friendly links, and on page links. And lastly we have technology list which is used in the website. What kind of the technology list you have used in your website, that is to be listed out. So this next is what is did you know there is a concept called the crawling. Basically what is a crawling? It is a process by which search engines, that is the crawler or spiders or we can say the bots, scan a website and they collect the details about the each page. Either it will be the title or it will be the images, keywords, other linked pages, etc. So with the help of crawling you are going to collect, okay, so we are going to scan a complete website and we are going to collect the detail about the each page, what the each page will have. Next concept we have organic search results are the listings on a search engine result page that appear because of the factors such as relevance to the search term, means what kind of the term you are searching, and valid search engine optimization, that is SEO efforts, rather than because of search engine marketing or the triggering. So this concept is there. Now let's have the summary of the complete chapter number 2. The first is SEO. So basically what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Apart from the content of the website being the king of optimization, there are many other factors to improve the ranking. So what are they? Number 1, yes, title, meta tag, keywords, okay, for the image or etc. whatever you are using. So content is the base important thing of the website. Along with that, there are so many factors are there to make your website on the ranking. Keywords used in the title, meta and heading labels play the key role, important role. Okay, keywords used in the title, meta and heading labels play the key role. So use of the proper order of tags and the structure is equally important. Okay. IMG, that is image tag with ALT attribute, alt attribute also contributes to the optimization. Social media links and backlinks are also major factors to optimize the web page. Okay. Apart from the mobile friendliness, speed also rank the website highest. Speed is also important part. And lastly, the tools that we have discussed, okay, SEO audit tools like SEO Optimizer and SEO Mentor are the tools to determine the health of the website. Okay, so this is the summary. So that means we have completed chapter number 2 of information technology. Okay, now we are moving to the next part of the content of this chapter, that is exercise. Okay, so this is the exercise of chapter number 2, search engine optimization. Let's start with the fill in the blanks. So once you have gone through all the videos of chapter number 2, you will be able to answer this question. Okay, so first you go through all the videos of chapter number 2, go through the content of this chapter. Already you have this kind of PDF, so you can go through it and go for the exercise. What you do, maintain a separate copy of notebook and then solve all these questions. Okay, so let's see the fill in the blanks. You have match the following. You will have here you have to select two correct alternative from the question and then you have answer in briefly. 7 questions are there. So this exercise is very small. Okay, nothing to do, just go through it. So we have completed chapter number 1, that is advanced HTML, and second chapter, that is search engine optimization. We'll start in the next lecture with advanced JavaScript, that is chapter number 3. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.